G'day gang, Skypilot here. Yes, this is the Skyzone AtomRC DODO, the 120mm FPV plug and play little beauty. Hot off the press from Makerfire. Check out the links below, guys. I've also done an unboxing and review on the benchtop of this new little unit. It's quite new. There are a couple of different variants. You can either get the 120 or you can get the 120 Pro, which has slightly more pokey motors, etc. This is a 2 or 3S unit. I have got a Tatayu 450 milliamp 3S underneath, XM Plus receiver, and we're just going to have a fly around. Skyzone and AtomRC collaborating to create the Dodo. So we all know Skyzone make some pretty decent kit, so I'm thinking this is going to be nothing short of fantastic. Let's get up in the sky, see how it flies. Let's go. Okay, this will double up as a wind test because it's really windy here. Let's get down the oval quickly. Okay. Oh, crikey. First impressions, guys, let me know what you think, but myself, I think this is quite a decent little unit from Skyzone and AtomRC. Pitch tune's really nice, good VTX, feels nice on the stick straight out the box. As I've mentioned before, I haven't touched anything here. It's basically a plug and play unit, and 300 milliwatts VTX is more than enough to have loads of fun. So this is pretty good, guys. Really nice. I normally get a fair bit of interference around here, but I'm actually going longer than I thought I would ever go. Especially with an XM Plus with all these sheds around, and a 300 milliwatt VTX with a fairly basic linear antenna on it. So yeah, top marks, guys. I think Skyzone have done a pretty decent job here. Yeah, this thing's decent, guys, really decent. I can't wait to put a different VTX antenna on it. I think that's going to make it even better again. I'm impressed. Right, see if I can't do a bit of a slow cruise around the club rooms here. Try and get out of the wind and away from the trees. Normally get a fair bit of interference from this building here, so this will be interesting. It's a bit too windy as well. If I do that, I'm just going to hit something. Let us know what you think in the comments. A very small bounce off the ground, not to worry, better bring it home. I think our batteries are getting low. Nothing like a bit of a bounce every now and then. There you go, gang. Who said the dodo was dead? Really nice. Smash that thumbs up. I'm going to go charge up my 450s and try for some freestyle. See you next time, guys. Catch you later on. Bye for now.